两歌混淆，此时乃猎杀之时。挡我者死！敬酒不吃，吃罚酒，魂飞魄散。荡尽天下不平事，唯我终苦。
I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
Alright, let's talk about some key features of Seedance 2.0. First one is instant creation. One click video recreation. You can turn a single sentence into a complete video. It's insane, right? Unified multi input control. So you can feed up to 12 assets at once: images, videos, audio clips, and text. Seedance 2.0 reads each input's role automatically and keeps your characters consistent no matter how many elements you combine. Next one, pixel control, frame level precision. As you can see, every character, object, and composition detail stays locked across your entire video. It's awesome. Multi-camera storytelling. You can generate a new storylines, or also you can extend existing videos with natural short connections, character movements, narration, environmental sounds, and camera angles stay in perfect audio visual sync across every cut. High impact motion scenes. You can generate intense action and fight sequences, as you can see here, with realistic body dynamics, collision effects, and fast camera tracking. It's really nice. So here is a list of few videos generated with Seedance 2.0. You can have a look. It looks so real. AI video is moving fast, but we have reached a point where cool visuals aren't enough. We need stability. Today, we are diving into the technical preview of Seedance 2.0 by Higgsfield. This isn't just a small update, it's a shift in how AI understands cinema. If you have ever been frustrated by AI characters changing clothes halfway through a clip, or The camera shaking for no reason. This preview is for you. Let's talk about the camera. Most AI models move randomly, but Seedance 2.0 introduces advanced camera logic. It's designed to replicate professional cinematography. Think smooth pans, tracking shots that follow a subject perfectly, and controlled reveals. Instead of just AI guessing the next frame, it understands the 3D space. This means the movement feels heavy and intentional, like it was shot by a human operator on a high end camera. One of the biggest hurdles in AI film is temporal coherence. In simple terms, does the video stay consistent from start to finish? Seedance 2.0 is tackling this issue. The technical preview shows massive improvements in maintaining lighting and textures across a sequence. If you have a character in a leather jacket, the texture of that leather won't melt or change into something else as they move. This makes the footage actually usable in professional editing software like Premiere or After Effects because it doesn't look like a glitchy mess. Then there is a physics. Seedance 2.0 is being stress tested with macro shots, extreme close ups. This is where most AI fails because every tiny movement is visible. Whether it's the way hair flows or how light reflects off a surface, the physics driven motion here is much more realistic. Combine that with better character consistency, where the AI remembers exactly what your character looks like throughout the movement, and you have a tool that can actually tell a story, not just generate a 3-second loop. The bottom line, Seedance 2.0 is moving away from random AI and towards cinematic structure. It's about giving creators control over the narrative. While we wait for the full release of 2.0, you can actually head over to Higgsfield right now and try Seedance 1.5 to see the foundation they are building on.
Hola, bebé, ven aquí.
¿Qué pasó, amor?
Coffee?
Thanks.
"此乃魔教藏邪气之地，务必夺回。
弟子定不辱命。
我与师兄同往。师兄，里面戒备比预想的严，我们按原计划从后墙翻入。
师妹，你先上，我来断后。小心，藏经阁就在前殿，别打草惊蛇。想走，没那么容易。
师兄小心！
小美人儿，别挣扎了。孽障，休得伤人。师傅。 没事吧？
弟子无碍，多谢师傅。
我已取到邪气，此地不宜久留，速随我返回。是，师傅。
You think you're tough, you think you're strong. You're just a copycat singing my song.